My name's Scott Hampton, 55 years old. I've been trucking since I was 17, 18, I guess, in one form or another. And I've been an owner-operator now for 5 years. Just a couple months over. I bought this 2000 379 for September of 2013. And it was a one-owner truck that I got to talk to the old man that bought it originally and had the original build sheet on it. And he took real good care of it. I rebuilt the motor in 15. It's a 12.7 500. Mechanically, the truck had been gone through what he hadn't done. I had redone everything mechanical, clutch, ECM, rebuild on the motor and in-frame and fuel lines and just everything mechanical on the truck, and didn't want to ever get rid of the truck. I mean, when I bought it, I thought it was going to be a one-time deal for me, but when the ELD came into place and the truck's exempt, it's got a 99 Detroit in it, that kind of made my decision that I was going to just take it one more step and just do a restoration on it, I guess you'd call it. I dropped it off the 2 days before Christmas last year, 2017, and I picked it up April 15th. Majestic Truck and Body in Altoona, Iowa. They did everything to the truck that we had. Well, I take that back. The interior was subbed out. Had the interior redone, and it was subbed out to a guy right there in Des Moines. Classic Auto Works is who did the interior on it, and everything else they did right there. I put new frame rails on it. The sleeper, I scored the sleeper from them. This goes back. I got hit by a deer on my birthday, March 28th. Would have been 2 years ago, and I was out there talking to them about, doing the body work on the truck and getting things fixed and whatnot. The sleeper had some pretty severe damage on it. The guy said to you, would you be interested in a sleeper? 63-inch flat top. I said, well, yeah, it depends. And he walks me into this Quonset building where they do their sandblasting, and there sat a 2013 63-inch flat top sleeper with a window in the back of it. Had been sitting there for over a year, and they wanted it gone, and the guy that had it apparently wasn't trying real hard to sell it, and I had been looking for one anywhere between $5,000 and $8,000 for 2000, 2004, flat top, 63-inch flat tops. I looked at it, measured it, went to Peterbilt. They said, yeah, it'll work. You might have to change a little bit of wiring or something like that, but there's no reason why it shouldn't work. And I called the guy that owned it, and I said, hey, here you got a sleeper for sale, and he said, yeah, 1,500. I said, 1,500 or 15,000? And I said, I tell you what, I got $1,000 cash in my pocket right now. He's an hour away. I said, I'll drive up there and I'll buy that sleeper. And he asked me if I'd seen it. I said, yep, I already talked to Peterbilt. We know it'll work on my 2000. And he goes, no, I tell you what, give me $1,250. And you could put a check in the mail. I bought that 2013 sleeper that they had bought a Fitzgerald glider and day cabbed it 6 months after they bought it. And the guy that was driving the truck never slept in the truck. The sleeper had never been slept in. Okay, that was the deal of the century for me.